Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Hey, before we get started, guys, go ahead, do me a favor right now. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I want to show you real quick. You may know this or you may not know this. The Conversion Pros, my #1 marketing system, they offer women-only buyer leads. Okay, if you're in a program and you're looking for leads where they're just women-only business opportunity leads, the Conversion Pros has got you covered, okay? So I want to show you guys this. They've also created a video sales page just for this as well. So if you're a member of the Conversion Pros, you can share this page. It's already been created for us. All you gotta do is grab that share code and replicate your copy, okay? So I want to show you this real quick. Check this video out, all right? And I will be back. Let's check it out.
The Conversion Pros sells all women leads. This is important because 80% of all women that make over $100,000 a year do it in direct sales. Here are some facts. Women tend to stick to a business a lot longer than men. They take business more seriously than men. A lot of direct sales companies have tons of products that cater to women or interest women more than men. And women can build a big team of other successful women fast. TCP real-time women leads are sold just one time. These are fresh. The women in these leads are seeking an opportunity right now. If yours has any product to offer women, it will be a perfect fit. We have tons of testimonials about how good our leads are with reorders every week. Women love buying these leads because, to be frank, they hate being hit on by men. Women can often relate better talking to other women and be comfortable. We see massive teams being built with our all-women leads. Become a member of the Conversion Pros for free and get access to all of our tools and these all-women leads. You will get the leads at our wholesale cost, which no one beats our prices or our quality. Want to build a big team? Then you are in the right spot. Get started today.
All right, so this is the sales page, guys, that we have. If you're a Conversion Pros member, share this with your folks, and it will do all the selling and telling for you. Now, I'm going to go down a little further, and I want you to hear the owner of the company, Dave Dubs, talk about how you order the leads from your back office. Check this one out.
Take a trial, and you log in. Your screen will look like this. Scroll down the left-hand side until you see leads. Click on Order Leads. Lead type, click on personal. Lead category, click on female only business opportunity leads. You can order leads. Then once you order leads, we will be placing those leads into your contact manager on the left hand side, where you could open that up and see all your leads. And we also give you a phone app that you can go to your app store on Android or on Apple, download our phone app, and the lead will show up in your phone app, and then you'll be able to call, text, or email them. You'll be able to make notes. We have these buttons here: cold, warm, hot, left message, or a note box like this. For an example, called and talked briefly, we'll call again next Tuesday, demeanor hot. And when you use a color-coded box, it'll put a color-coded dot next to every lead for quick notes, whether the lead is cold, warm, left message, etc. So once you order the women leads, you can go right into your phone app and start to work those leads, or go into the contact manager from your computer and access all of your leads there. To see your lead order status, once you order leads, you can click on lead order status, and it will tell you how many you ordered, how many you received, how many are left, and when the order is done. So you can always see your lead order status to get these. Also, under tips and tricks on the left hand side, if you scroll down, we have what we call an Ordering Leads Masterclass. And as you scroll down, we have scripts, how to call leads, how to leave voicemails. We actually have scripts that you can use, etc., that would help you work those leads. Okay? We'll see you on the inside.
All right, guys. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in so I can show you. You're probably wondering, well, how much are these leads? Okay? So let's go check that out in the membership area. Okay, they have a sale that they've been running for a while, so the sale is still on. So I'm in the back office, or the membership area rather. So I'm going to go here, personal campaign. You want to order female only business opportunity leads. So you can get 50 leads for $44.10. Okay, now if you are already a Conversion Pros member, you will come down. Me personally, and since I'm a member, I would go here, and I have a campaign. I have different campaigns I've set up, different autoresponders, and I would drop them in there, and then I'm still going to send an email to follow up with these folks, and I'm going to send them to a specific offer that I'm promoting. That's how I would do mine. Now you're going to get with these, so let's go check it out. I'm going to show you what you get with the leads. Okay, so let's go check that out too. Okay, what I've done is I put this, I'm covering this up. I ordered some leads, and as you can see to the left right here, it says purchase leads. So I ordered those, so you get the name, email, and phone number, guys, of these business opportunity leads. Okay, so that's what you're going to get, and they're going to drop them right on the left hand side, as it stated on the previous video. You'll see them there. You can also take these they're your leads, you've purchased them, so you can download them on your computer. You can upload them to, you know, an autoresponder. If you have another autoresponder, you can text to these folks, you can email them personally. They're your leads. Okay, so I just wanted you to see this. Okay, that's what you're gonna get: full name, email, and phone number. Now if you recall, you can join TCP for free, okay, to get access to this. So you can join for free. I'm going to put the link in the description. If you're not already a member, you can join for free, get access, go into the back office as I showed you on the video, order your leads to promote whatever business opportunity that you have. Okay, so it doesn't cost you a dime to join TCP. All right, now once you get started, don't forget to download the app. We have a mobile app for the Conversion Pros. Okay, so log in to your system, download this app, and you can work those leads right from your smartphone. All right, guys, this is an awesome opportunity. It is a whole turnkey marketing system. You can also earn commissions with this, residual income. If you decide to become a member, you can upgrade, spend $50, and everyone you refer to the Conversion Pros, they will pay you every Friday $25. They split the commission in half. It's a partnership. So when a member pays $50 every month, you make $25. Okay, so you can get started for free, get you some of these leads, promote to whatever business opportunity you have. If you decide this is something that you want to keep, upgrade, spend your $50, start sharing your websites. They give you 4 affiliate websites that we promote, that we can promote to other business opportunity people, affiliate marketers. And if they decide to upgrade and spend $50, you make $25 paid every Friday. An awesome system. So go check it out. Click that link below. Join for free. Get you some leads. If you want the women only, if you don't want the women only, they have other leads as well. But I just want to bring it to your attention that they do offer women only leads. Okay. Or if you don't have a marketing system, capture pages, unlimited autoresponder, the whole shebang. They have pre-built capture pages already ready. And if there's pages that I have, once you join me, I will send you my share code for those pages, and you can automatically replicate that website as well. All right, guys. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, see you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.